everyone, my name is Ivan and this is the Car Ghost channel. Today we're going to a car meet, rather special car meet at Bear Mountain Inn. Every Wednesday during the summer, all the car enthusiasts from the New York area gather at night to share their cars with everybody else. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and check out the show. It's also 5:30 and we're losing sunlight, so I don't know how that would work out, but stay tuned. Actually, there is one more thing that I wanted to share before we got to the car show, and that is, I don't know if you can see because it's a little sunny ahead, but the drive up here is really, really nice. And there is a good amount of highway, but then when you get closer, the highway turns into like nice twisty roads, and we're going up a very nice road with a lot of twists, and I probably shouldn't be filming, so I'll put the camera down and drive a little bit. Oh, look at the Ford truck. It's beautiful, except it's broken. Ooh, there is a bridge coming. I love bridges. And we're almost there. The GPS says 5 minutes, so let's see if this bridge is actually going to be in focus, because it's kind of sunny right ahead, so we may lose the focus. Into the sunlight, into the sunset. We actually just met a friend. This is Mikey, and he's in his McLaren 570S. Alright, we just arrived. It's getting dark. We parked Slade over here on the spectator parking lot because Slade is not a car that should be there. Maybe soon it will, but for now we met my friend Mikey, who bred his 570S, and he took the other parking lot so he can put the car on the lawn. And right there is where all the madness happens, so let's go straight there. Alright, so we have vendors and a ton of cars. Look at this SS. It's like full. It's mostly on the classic side, but it's a lot of cool stuff. Like, look at this Ford, Dodge. Don't even know what everything is. Look at this Corvette. Let's go and see if we can find Mikey. Who's the boss? Oh boy. Back into the future. There we have the Hellcat Enforcer. It's Hellcat Enforcer on Instagram. Really, really cool car. Awesome. Randomly parked SB. Beautiful spec blue. I love these BMWs. And here is Mikey in the 570S.
This evening.
What an awesome car this
is. You get your 50-50 raffle.
I promise you guys, I'm going to get you a video with this car.
You can go to them. They are at
Mikey,
the tables at the admission booth.
Hit me up and we'll figure something out.
To the park this afternoon. So make sure you get your 50-50 raffles. The money is
NSX, BMW 8 Series. Right here we have like the exotic section. We have a beautiful 360 motor. Quite a few NSXs, good amount of Porsches. I love this NSX. Cars, as far as I can see, that's madness. Again, here is Mikey's 570S. I'm definitely taking a video with this car later on, or not today, but another day. That's one very hard wagon. Quite frankly, I'm overwhelmed. I'm gonna go look around. I'll put a little montage for you guys. Look at the Supra. That's the Supra we saw in the beginning. That's a hot car. It's great for the summer. I'm gonna put a little montage at the end, I hope, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Cobra.
Cobra.
Gold.
I like the little gold motif.
You know what?
Spooky. That's not loud at all. So many awesome cars, but the light is not on our side and it's getting dark. So bid you guys have a lovely evening, day or morning. Hit the thumbs up, smash them if that's something you do. Tap them gently, I don't mind if you do that. And subscribe for a lot more videos to come. Car events, car mods, and a lot of other stuff. Bye!